credit score can literally make or break your financial life. It decides if you get approved for a mortgage, what interest rate you pay on your car, or even if you get a new apartment. Okay. Here's what most people don't realize though. Your credit score isn't some mystery number. It's built on 5 factors. And once you understand them, you can control your score like a pro. So in this video, I will reveal the 5 secrets banks don't want you to know, because when you play the credit card game, you win and they lose interest money that they could have made on you. So let's decode your credit score, starting with number 1 factor that could cost or save you tens of thousands of dollars. So, but before we go further, I want to remind you, this is Empower Capital. I'm Sam. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to help grow the channel. And remember that this is for educational purposes only. It's not legal, tax, or financial advice. Make sure to do your own research with everything you hear. All right. So let's get straight away now. Secret number 1, payment history, right? Your payment history makes up 35% of your credit score, right? That's the biggest slice of the pie. So even one missed payment can drop your score by 60 to 100 points. So for example, if you have a 720 score, for example, and forget to pay your $40 credit card, right? Credit card bill, then boom, the next month, your score could drop to 640. That could mean thousands more in interest on your next loan, right? So you should fix it fast, right? Set up auto pay for at least the minimum payment, okay? Use reminders on your phone, okay, if you have to. And if you ever miss one, call your bank immediately. Many bank lenders offer one-time forgiveness if you've got a clean history. So try to tap into that, okay? If you got a clean history. So now let's get to secret number 2, credit utilization. What is that? Let's talk about that. This one's a game changer and the easiest to fix quickly. Credit utilization makes up 30% of your score. It's how much of your available credit you're using. If your limit is 5,000 and you're using 2,500, that's 50%. That's too high. Keep it below 30%. Ideally under 10% for a perfect score, right? That's very good to know, right? So here's a pro tip. Ask your credit card company for a limit increase. If you go from 5,000 to 10,000 and still spend 2,500, your utilization drops to 25% and your score could rise fast without paying a dime. See that strategy there? Secret number 3, length of credit history. That also matters a lot. So this one rewards patience. The longer you've had credit, the more trustworthy you look. So an example of that would be if you had one card for 10 years and another for 1 year, your average account age is 5.5 years. If you close the old card, your average drops, and so might your score as well. So what's the quick fix for that one? Don't close old accounts unless they have an annual fee you can't justify. Keep them open, use them once in a while, and let time do its work. So now let's talk about secret number 4, credit mix. This one only makes up 10%, but it shows lenders how you manage different kinds of credits, right? Like credit cards, student loans, and car loans. So example, let's say you've only ever used credit cards. Add in a small personal loan and paying it off responsibly can actually boost your score as well. But here's the only warning we have to give you. Never take on a new debt just for the mix. Only do it if it fits your goals. So only do it if it fits your goals. Don't just do it because we we're saints. And then secret number 5, new credit inquiries. So every time you apply for a new credit card or loan, a hard inquiry hits your report, and too many can hurt your score temporarily, right? So this one, I've experienced this firsthand. So applying for 5 cards in 2 weeks, that's 5 hard pulls. Your score could dip 10 to 20% because of that. So instead, apply strategically, space out applications, and when shopping for things like auto or mortgage loans, do your rate comparisons within 30 days. FICO treats that as one single inquiry. So let's see, what's the quick fix for that? So here's your credit card glow up checklist. Number 1, always pay on time, set auto pay. Number 2, utilization under 30%, ideally under 10. Okay. Number 3, don't close old accounts. And number 4, maintain a healthy mix of credit. And number 5, limit hard inquiries. Do this consistently and you can boost your score by 100 points or more in as little as 90 days. Okay. I hope you're taking notes. Okay. And I hope you go review your notes after this, because this is going to help you tremendously. Okay. Because remember, people judge you by your credit. Okay. They may not see you, but they can judge you by your credit. So remember, your credit score isn't about luck. It's about strategy, right? once you understand how the game is played, you can win every time. Okay. If you got value from this, subscribe and turn on that notification bell, because next week's episode, all right, it's a must watch. We'll talk about other things related to this topic as well. And I'll walk you through more strategies on gaining advantage in the area of your finances. All right. So hope you had a wonderful time, and I hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. God loves you and we love you. Stay blessed.